This Century 21 Western Realty property video is presented by BobKory Team. Beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 1-story home with study. Upgrades includes luxury vinyl plank floors and carpet, 2 faux wood blinds, covered back patio. Lehner's Hanover open floor plan features gorgeous kitchen with breakfast bar, center island, upgraded white designer cabinets, stainless steel appliance package. Large living room open to kitchen, dining, and the great size study with French doors. Bright master bedroom with lots of windows. Master bathroom with separate shower, garden tub, double sinks, and 2 walk-in closets. This home is a Wi-Fi certified smart home featuring integrated automation and voice control with Amazon Alexa. In highly sought after Katy ISD, close to shopping, hospitals, and major freeways. For more information, review the details below or contact BobKory Team at 281-394-4608.